You know what? It's always really exciting to be going travelling, whether you're going on holiday or you're just going somewhere on a plane. I'll tell you where I like going. I like going somewhere that's got a little bit of grass, or is it grass? It could just be the base of a palm tree. Aha! So, there's a clue as to where I like going. Let's put some leaves on the palm tree. There it is, and one more in here maybe. Then a little bit of sand. That's it. Oh, we love that. I'm going to put a nice big umbrella in here. Like that. I think I've given this away by now, haven't I? Yeah, you got it. I like going to the beach. And then maybe at the beach we've got a ball, a beach ball to play with, or maybe even a bucket and spade. And don't forget the handle, the spade. Then if we are by the seaside, what we need is some sun. Let's put the sun in there. And of course, some sea. Put the sea in, across the background like this. And there you have it. And of course, you can colour it in however you like.